Gimme that yummy gummy. I'm Gus the Gummy Gator.
Hiya, little Gators. Today we're gonna play the magical spin wheel challenge. So you've got to spin the wheel and see what you land on, and you never know what might happen.
Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, what do you think we're gonna land on, Gus?
I don't know. There's all kinds of stuff. There's volcanoes, dinosaurs. We could even go into outer space. Ooh.
Oh, I better get my astronaut helmet.
Yeah, let's go. You go first.
All right, I'll get us started.
Here we go.
What are we gonna start with?
Outer space. We should go blast to another planet. Whoa, 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 whoa!
A thunderstorm.
It's a thunderstorm!
Oh no!
No, it's raining!
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
I have just the thing. Oh, this will keep us dry. Thank you, Mr. Umbrella. Oh, you really saved the day. Hey, Gus, how are you staying dry over there?
Look what I found, Winnie.
Oh, that's the perfect thing, Gus.
Yeah, it's keeping me nice and dry.
Hey, it's pretty stylish, too.
Yeah, no, it's a little hot. It's kind of hot in here. And it smells funny. It doesn't smell like gummies. It smells like a rubber band.
Ooh, I think you're right.
Whoa! Whoa!
How did
Lightning!
this rain stop anyway?
No. I don't know. Let's think about it. Wait a minute. Don't you have special weather powers? You do!
Oh, yeah, that's right. I should have known. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day.
Whoa! It's all gone!
It worked.
Stop! Cool!
Hey, we can put away our umbrella now.
Yeah! Whew. Glad we're out of that rainstorm. That was not nice.
Oh, I agree with you. But hey, it's your turn now. Let's see what happens next.
Yeah, my turn. Come on, magical wheel. I want something crazy. Whoa! I got a dinosaur.
Dinosaur? What does that mean?
I don't know. He looks pretty happy, though.
Hey,
Whoa, what's that?
do you hear that?
What's that noise?
What is that?
No, it's right there!
Whoa! Get out of here!
Whoa, you think it sees us?
Maybe. Hey, how do you think we get rid of this thing?
No, I don't know. It doesn't belong in this world. It's from a long, long time ago.
Yeah,
Whoa.
Hey, I bet he's hungry.
Oh, yeah, he does look hungry. I do that too sometimes. It looks like he's yawning. Whoa, what's that? That's pretty crazy. No, I know. How about some gummies?
That's the perfect idea.
Hold on. Come here, little dinosaur. I have some gummies. Whoa!
It worked.
That's it. He's gone.
That's exactly what he needed. He was just hungry.
Yeah, perfect. Just like we planned. Let's go back to the wheel. It's your turn next.
All right, let's see what's next. Now that dinosaur is gone, I say we take another spin.
Yeah, your turn.
All right, let's see what we get.
What do we get?
What's it gonna be? What's it gonna be?
What do we get? What is it? Whoa, you got a monkey!
A monkey?
Whoa, we've got monkeys. What's that noise?
What
You
is
hear
that
it?
noise?
Sounds like music.
It sounds like it's getting closer.
Sounds like a party.
Yeah, it sure does.
Cool.
Maybe it's a monkey party.
Hey, over there. Whoa, it's a party pack of dancing monkeys. Check it out.
Whoa, I see all the monkeys. Hey, those monkeys can move.
Let's dance and join the party.
Yeah. Oh, I'm not as good as those monkeys. Let's give it a try.
Haha, cool. Wow, they've been up to some monkey business, learning how to dance and spin around and swing their arms. Ha! Looking good.
I like this spin.
Whoa, that was fast.
Maybe they went to go get some bananas.
Yeah, that sounds wacky. Let's see what we get. My turn.
Yeah, let's see what happens next.
Enough of that monkey business. I want a surprise. Yeah, we got a mystery spot.
Wow, what does that mean?
What is it? What could it be? Whoa, what's happening?
What's wrong, Gus?
What's happening? Whoa!
Oh, Gus!
Whoa, it stopped. What happened?
Gus!
What?
You're huge!
What? What is it? I'm huge. Whoa, Wendy, yeah, you got a lot tinier.
You're even taller than me.
Yeah, you are so tiny, Wendy. Everything's super tiny. And I've got these giant arms that move a lot and giant feet. Whoa, my feet. And check out my tail. Look at this, Wendy.
Oh, Gus!
You're giant.
That is so cool. Look at your giant tail.
Yeah.
Oh, your t-shirt is so big, I could use it as a blanket.
Yeah, that's pretty cool. Oh, wait a minute, everything's so tiny now. You're tiny, Mo's gonna be really tiny, and Gummy's My gummies! You're gonna be especially tiny.
Oh, you're right. You're not gonna get full off of gummies when you're this big.
No, I don't think I like this. I want to change it back. I want to be back my normal size.
Oh, come on, Mystery Wheel. Turn Gus back to normal.
Yeah, let me spin around. Maybe that'll help. Come on, Magical Mystery Wheel. I want to be back to normal. Whoa! I'm back to normal size.
All right, just how I like it. I'm the tall one again.
Yeah, I like this much better. Gummies taste better when you're shorter.
All right, everything is as it should be, so let's spin again.
Your turn.
Copy.
What is that? There gonna be double of you?
Double?
Double trouble.
I've never had a twin before, but that'd be pretty cool. Hey, Wendy. Hey, I think you look just like me. I think you look like me. Well, okay. I like your hair bow, though. Thanks. Well, I gotta go now. Okay, bye. Whew, it's so nice to be one of me again. All those feet to step around, just too much work.
So many characters of one person. My turn to spin. Let's see what I get. I really want to get the shark this time. Come on, Sharky Shark. Yeah, I got the shark.
A shark? What does that mean?
I wonder what it means. Whoa! Hey, you shark!
Hey, I know this dance.
Gussie Shark. Gussie Shark.
Mommy shark.
Mommy Shark. Mommy Shark. Mommy Shark. Whoa! Where'd he go?
Where'd that shark go?
Oh, gotta be around here somewhere.
Oh, rats, I was loving that song.
No, yeah, I do. That's a super cool song. All right, Wendy, we have one more spin each. It's your turn.
All right, let's see what happens next.
Maybe you'll get another animal.
Oh, I was just about to say that. I'm hoping for the kitty cat.
Yeah, you got the kitty cat.
Cool.
That's the one you wanted.
Hey, kitty, where are you?
Where is it? It's gonna show up around here somewhere.
Oh, I'd love to hang out with the kitty cat. Where are you, kitty cat?
No, hey, it's you.
Me?
Yeah, you're the cat. You're the cat. You have ears and whiskers.
Oh, yeah, you're right. I'm the cat.
That's super cool.
Oh, too bad I don't have little paws. I could give myself a bath or get the mice.
Your voice is still the same, too. No meowing.
Yeah. Hey, you know who this reminds me of?
Who?
Alpha Alexa.
Oh, yeah, Alpha Alexa. You do have the same shape of ears and the nose and the whiskers.
Oh, yeah, she'd approve of this one.
Yeah, it's looking good. It's meow or never. Oh, it's gone.
Oh, I'm all back to normal. My ears are right where they should be.
Yeah, no more catting around. It's just back to being Wendy.
Yeah, I think that's the way it's gonna stay. Hey, but now it's your turn. The last time we spin.
All right, Magical Wheel, give me something wonderful. How about some snow? Yeah, that's what I want. Whoa, looking good. I got a snowflake. Cool.
What is that?
What does that mean?
Hey, do you feel that? It's starting to get kind of chilly in here. Look at all this snow.
Oh, yeah.
It's all over the ground too. That gives me an idea.
Hey, do you want to build a snowman?
I sure do. With all this snow.
Whoa, cool. Yeah.
Snowball fight.
No, now it's all over me too. No, hold on.
Oh, you got some in my mouth. Oh, God.
Me too.
No. Ooh, it's so cold.
Yeah, it's
I'm
still
starting
cold.
to get cold.
It is. Hold on.
Where'd he go?
Here, I'll share my blankie with you.
Oh, thank you, Gus. You're such a good pal.
No, that's much better.
Oh, yeah, that sure does help.
Much better.
No more cold for us.
Nope. Hey, wait a minute. Can't you make this all go away, Wendy? With your magical weather powers.
Oh, yeah, good point. Snow, go away. Come again another day.
Cool. Well, this has been a super cool wheel, and you never know what you're going to get.
Yeah. Oh, I loved the monkey dance. I gotta say, that was my favorite part.
I think my favorite was Baby Shark. Baby Shark, do.
That is a good jam, Gus.
Yep. It just kind of stays sticking around in your head forever. Yeah, it's super cool. Well, hope you had fun today, little Gators. Thanks for watching our show. If you have an idea for a show we should do next time, let us know in the comments below. And let us know which one was your favorite in the Magical Spin Wheel Challenge.
Bye, little Gators.
We'll see you next time. Bye! Hi, little Gators. Today we're going to do a pancake art challenge with my friend Wendy. Hiya, Wendy.
Yes, I'm so excited. Oh, and I'm so hungry, too.
Well, you came to the perfect place. We're going to be drawing all of the Ryan's Wolf figures, minifigures, Combo Panda, and me, and our friends of Roaring Dinosaurs.
Awesome, they're so fun.
Yeah.
And hey, don't they make noise, too?
Yeah, you have to push a button on its foot.
All right, let's see. Let's check it out. Wow! See if he can go too. Yeah!
Hey, I think he's hungry too. What do you get if you win the challenge?
Well, I'm so glad you asked because I came prepared for that. You
What
get
is it?
a Ryan's World Giant Mystery Egg.
Oh, cool! It's the red mystery egg, available at Target and Target.com.
So cool. There's so many cool toys in here to play with. Oh, my favorite is the slime.
Oh, my favorite is a spaceship. Okay, so we have 3 rounds to go, and whoever wins each round gets a point.
All right, sounds great. Let's get to it.
No, wait, we need a judge too.
Oh, yeah, you're right. Who's going to judge this competition?
I think it's Mo. Yeah, Mo's gonna be our judge, okay? Hey,
All
Mo!
right.
Mo, come here. Okay, I found Mo.
Hey, Mo. How are you today?
He said he's ready to eat pancakes.
Oh, me too. We've got that in common.
Okay, are you ready to be a judge? All right, let's go. Mo says we have 1 minute to do each round, and we have to finish before the time's up.
Oh, I hope we can get it done in that amount of time.
Mo says he believes in you.
All right, thank you, Mo.
Okay, everybody ready?
Yeah, let's go.
All right.
All right, I'm going first.
Now, who do you want to get, Wendy?
I hope I get you, Gus.
Yeah, me. I think I'm easy to draw.
Wow, Red Titan Ryan.
Red Titan Ryan.
That's just as cool.
Okay, let's see. My turn.
What do you get?
I think I want to get a dinosaur, one of the roaring dinosaurs. Come on,
Oh,
roaring dinosaur!
come
No,
on,
almost! No, did I get
Oh.
combo? Is it stop?
It's
No,
a combo
I
panda.
got combo! Okay, it's Combo Panda versus
Red Titan Ryan.
Yeah, come on!
Let's go.
All right, Wendy, we have 1 minute to get our pancake going. You ready?
I'm ready.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go!
Oh, let's go. We know Ryan needs
No.
some hair.
I need black and white. Don't use all of the black on Ryan's hair. I need some.
All right, I'll be sure. I'll be sure to share.
Let's start with Combo Panda's face. We need to make a circle. No, wait! I forgot about his eyes. Hold on.
All right, looking good. Now Ryan's got some hair. He needs a head, doesn't he? And we need his Red Titan mask. Red Titan colors.
Yeah, that one looks cool.
Yeah, not bad, huh?
Yeah, I see Red Titan. That makes sense. Whoa, that one looks good. No, wait a minute. Mine's burning. And there's 1 eye and 2 eyes. No, they're gonna crash together. Now we need some ears. He needs a nose next. Combo Panda knows what's up. No, wait, I know what'll make it better. He needs headphones.
All right, time to flip art Ryan.
Whoa, that one looks good.
Oh, no.
No, what happened to Ryan's face? No!
So close.
Whoa! That's all right, I bet it still tastes great. Wow, he looks like a mouse, a very famous mouse. Let's fix this and give him headphones. All done. It's looking good. Time's up.
Oh, that was such hard work.
Check out my Combo Panda. I think I got the headphones just right. What'd you think?
Wow, I think you did too, Gus. You did great.
Yeah, thank you. What do you have?
I have a Red Titan, and you know, he got a little squished, so I decided to make a Red Titan mystery figure, the
Yes.
squishy one.
Whoa, let's see what Mo thinks.
Yeah, let's ask Mo.
Come on, Mo, it's your time to judge. What you think? He says Ryan has nice hair.
Oh, thank you.
Kinda like his.
And how about for Combo Panda?
He likes Combo's ears. And Combo is the winner!
Oh, good job, Gus. You did kind of have me beat that time.
Hey, but there's still 2 more rounds. You can do it, Wendy.
Yeah, I can catch up.
All right, let's go figure out who we have next.
Okay, let's go.
All right, Wendy, I'll go first this time.
All right.
I still want to get one of those dinosaurs. Let's see. Whoa, come on, Magic magical wheel, give me a dinosaur. All right, yeah!
Wow, that's good luck, Gus.
You've got the blue dinosaur.
Let's see if I can match it. Maybe I'll get the red dinosaur.
You're right, it'll be roaring dinosaur versus roaring dinosaur. And not the pancakes.
Yeah!
You made it!
Awesome. This is going to be so fun.
You're right, come on.
Let's go. All right, it's round 2, and I am Team T-Rex.
And I'm Team Blue Triceratops with some red horns.
I think me and T-Rex are going to win with our dino power. Isn't that right, Dino?
Whoa! Yeah, we'll see about that. Ready?
Let's go.
We have 1 minute. 3, 2, 1, go! All right, Triceratops, let's start with your face. Whoa! I don't know if that looks like a Triceratops or not. We're gonna keep up our artwork. Okay, time for some eyes.
All right, Dino, let's get you into a pancake.
Wow, that looks really great, Wendy.
Thanks, Gus.
Yo, it looks way better than mine. Oh, this is a mess.
Oh, I gotta fill him in, because our T-Rex is totally red.
Well, I don't know if the eyes turned out all right. What you think, little gators? It looks like a mess. Let's try for some horns now. No! This doesn't look good at all. It's awful. No. But at least it smells great. No, wait, we need one more horn.
All right, I've almost finished my T-Rex. Looking good. He's even got his little stripes.
Whoa, yeah, that looks great.
Come on, T-Rex, let's get you flipped. Whoa, good job.
Come on, Triceratops, time to go onto the plate. Whoa! Oh, now we gotta fix it. What you think, Triceratops? Does it look like you? You know, I think I got the eyes right. Whoa! I think that's a resounding no.
All right, T-Rex, let's see how you look. Wow, he looks so cool. He really does look just like the T-Rex.
Yo, cool!
What do you think, T-Rex? I think I hear a yes.
Yeah, hey, but let's see what Mo thinks. Hey, Mo, come on, your turn to judge. No, hiya, what you think? I had the blue dinosaur, and Wendy had the red dinosaur. Which one do you like better? He says it's a very hard decision. But after much deliberation,
I know what that means. Yeah, that means we won, right, Dino?
whoa!
Yeah!
You're right, Wendy, you did win.
All right, good job. I couldn't have done it without you, Mr. T-Rex.
You're right, so that means 1 point for me and 1 point for you.
Hey, Gus, you know what that means?
Tiebreaker! Mo says he's just ready to eat pancakes. Okay, let's spin the wheel and get our next picture.
Let's go. All right, it's the last and final round, and I'm going to take the last spin.
Okay, Wendy, which one do you want?
Oh, I hope I get you, Gus.
Yeah, me too. I hope you get me too. Gus, come on.
Come on,
almost.
Gus.
Whoa, there we go.
It's Gus. All right.
All right, so you get me, and let's see who I get. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, Gus, I hope you get one of those racers. Those cars would be so cool, like as a pancake.
Oh yeah, Ryan's racer car. Whoa, there we go.
Yeah.
I got it, the red and white racer car.
Man, we had good luck this time.
Perfect. Come on, let's get to drawing. All right, Wendy, you have me right here, and I have Racer Ryan.
All right, I've got the perfect little model.
Yeah, me too. Check it out. This one moves.
Wow! So cool. But I think it's time we get to pancake making.
Yeah, let's get a move on.
All right, 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Go. Here's our Racer Ryan. Let's start with an outline of the car. The car is a rectangle, and this one's gonna have tires. There's 1, there's 2. Now we're gonna need some red and white.
All right, Gus, it's time to make you into a pancake. We know we need some green.
Yeah, lots of green for Gus. Cool, it's just my color green.
It sure is.
It's a pancake after my own image.
All right, more yellow on the bottom, and then green on the top. All right, and time to give you a face.
Whoa!
This is gonna be you from the side, Gus. And give you a little nose, so that you can sniff.
So I can smell pancakes.
Yeah. Ooh, looking pretty good, Gus.
Yeah, looking good. Oh, I gotta finish mine. The time's almost up. Here's some red for the bottom. Then we'll need some red for the top. Nah, I don't know. It's missing something. No, wait a minute. Let's finish the tires. Now, let's finish the motor. There we go. Now we just sit and wait for it to finish cooking.
Let's flip you over, Gus.
Whoa!
Whoa!
Wow, it worked!
Yeah.
Time to take it off the grill. We're all done. No, let's make it right. There we go. Much better. Now, let's see what Mo says about it. Come on, Mo. Now's your time to shine. Whoa! That's a very long explanation. He says he really likes the color of Gus, but he thinks that the eraser Ryan looks like very abstract art. Whoa, Wendy! Did you understand that?
I sure did. We won! Team Gus over here. Sorry, Gus. I know that gets a little confusing.
That's all right. Hey, it still looks really good.
Yeah, good enough to eat.
He said you made it look just like me.
Doesn't that mean I win the prize?
Yeah, that's true. You win the giant mystery egg.
All right, that's so awesome.
Oh,
Let's
hold
open
on.
it up and see what's inside.
Yeah. Hold on, let me get it. Ta-da! Here you go, Wendy.
Wow, thank you so much, Gus.
Congratulations on first place in the Pancake Art Drawing Contest.
Awesome. I'm so ready to get this open. Let's see what's inside.
Yeah! This is a pretty cool red mystery egg. You can only find it at Target and Target.com, remember?
All right, we've got all the wrapper off. Let's see what's inside. Are you ready, Gus?
Yep, ready.
All
I can't
right,
wait.
can we count with me?
Yep.
All right, one,
1,
2,
3.
Whoa!
Whoa, so many toys.
So many. Let's flip it over and see what we got this time.
Whoa, what is it? We have a slime and a mystery squishy figure.
Yeah, and I'm seeing some putty. All right, let's see what we got.
Let's do the mystery figure.
Ooh,
Open the
okay.
blind bag. What is it?
Let's see what it is.
No, we get 2. That's
Maybe
like
we'll
Christmas.
Maybe we'll get a combo.
Maybe we'll get Red Titan Ryan or Robo Ryan.
We've got a red panda, red combo.
Whoa, Red Panda!
Wow!
Red Combo Panda! That one's ultra rare.
Super rare. Oh my goodness, that's so
Yeah!
cool. I love it.
Whoa, I've never seen one of these in person before.
Me either. I'm gonna have to keep him in a very special place, huh, Red Combo?
Yeah, but you gotta watch out, because this one's the evil combo.
Oh no, maybe we'll get a good combo to defeat him, huh?
No, yeah, let's see. What's the other
Let's
mystery
see who
figure?
our other figure is.
I still want Red Titan Ryan, so he can defeat the evil Red Panda.
We've got a Space Ryan.
Cool! Wow, check out that suit!
Yeah, and he's even got a blaster to destroy the aliens.
Yeah, he's from another world. Looking good.
So cool.
Whoa, those are 2 new toys I've never seen before.
Yeah, me too. Hey, what else do you think is inside here?
Let's see. Some gold slime. Yeah, some
Ooh,
ultra rare gold slime.
I'm sure glad you said that, because that's my favorite part.
Yeah, let's see what it is.
Let's see what color. So you said you were hoping for gold?
Yeah, the ultra rare one.
I'm actually hoping for gooey green.
Oh, green. Yeah, green would be cool too.
All right, let's see what we get.
More new toys to add to my collection.
Whoa, Gus, I think you're a mind reader.
What is it? What color is it?
It's gold.
Whoa! We've got gold slime, ultra rare combo panda, and a Ryan that we've never seen before.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Man, I think this is the luckiest egg we've ever had, huh?
Yeah, this is a pretty cool mystery egg. There's all kinds of new mysteries.
So awesome. What kind of putty do you think we're gonna get? Let's do our putty.
I think molten orange, the molten lava orange color.
Ooh, don't touch the lava, huh?
No.
Ooh, I hope we get sky blue. All right, let's get it open.
What is it? What is it?
What is it? Let's break it open.
I can't wait. Whoa!
Whoa! Gold and gold.
Whoa! This really is a very cool egg.
Yeah, it's our lucky egg.
Yeah.
Ooh, this feels totally different than the slime. Ooh, it's all sticky.
Yeah, it's sticky. And it smells kind of funny too. So
Yeah.
does the slime.
Oh, it sure does. What else do you think we have in here? Hey, what about our keychain?
Oh yeah. I think we already got Professor Ryan. How about Pirate Ryan?
Ooh, I hope we get a Red Titan Ryan.
Okay, Red Titan Ryan or Pirate Ryan.
We've got a combo
Oh,
panda!
a combo keychain! I've never seen one like that either.
Me either, super cool. He's even got his headphones on.
Whoa, this egg is so cool.
Oh, I really love it. He's definitely going on my backpack.
Yeah, then you're gonna have to trade though, because I want it too.
Ooh, okay, we'll have to make a trade. Hey, we've got one more thing left on this side.
What else?
Our squishy figure.
Oh yeah.
It's a mystery though. Who are we gonna get?
I hope. Hey, maybe it's Pet. No, not Pet. Yeah, another combo. I think it's gonna be another combo. You got a lot of combo in this egg.
Ooh, the combo's the rare. All right, let's see what we get. 1, 2, 3.
3.
Who's inside of here?
Who is it? Come out.
It's
come
a
out.
Red Titan
Yeah,
Ryan.
Red Titan Ryan. Cool.
Yeah, and he's squishy and ready to stretch and save the day.
Yeah, he can go everywhere with his magical cape.
He's so cool and bouncy too.
Cool.
Wow, that was so much. Hey Gus, I forgot. There's a whole other side of the egg.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, how could I forget?
No. Whoa. This part's the best part.
Let's see what we got.
What do we have? Come on, giant mystery red egg.
We got our red spaceship.
Cool.
Wow.
Wow, I've never seen one like that before.
So neat. Hey, it goes along with our space Ryan.
Yeah, it all matches.
Yeah,
There's so
let's
much
put
red.
it in. Now it's
Oh,
looking good.
cool. Yeah.
It makes noises and lights up too.
Yeah, he's just back from outer space.
Very cool.
Looking good.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Wow, Gus, this egg was so much fun. I think it was the luckiest egg in the whole world.
No, yeah. We've got so many cool toys to add to our collection.
We sure do. I've got a keychain and mystery figures. Oh, and even slime. I'm going to be busy all afternoon.
Haha, me too. Parents, you can get the Target exclusive Ryan's World Giant Surprise Egg and the Roaring Dinosaurs at Target and Target.com now. Well, thanks for watching our show today, little Gators. We hope you had fun today. We'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hey, little Gators. Today we're going to play the Slime Wheel Challenge with my friend Rainbow Ray.
Hey, cool! We have a slime wheel, a colorful rainbow slime wheel. What do you think, Gus?
Looks like this is going to be fun.
Hey, so what do we need to do here?
Well, you have to make a different kind of slime by using all the ingredients, and you get to spin the wheel, and that tells you what kind of ingredients you get to use.
So we're never gonna know what's gonna go in the bowl first, huh? Until we spin the wheel, right?
Yep, that's right.
Well, why are we just sitting around here talking? Hey, let's play.
Okay, Rainbow, I'll let you go first, since you're closer to the wheel.
Here we go. Let's see. Glue, glue, glue. I wanna get glue. Ah, I got sports balls.
How are you gonna make slime out of sports balls?
I don't know, you need glue for slime and laundry detergent. Hey, let's add the sports balls first though. Let's see. I got a football, a baseball, and a basketball. This isn't gonna make me slime at all. What do you think, Gus?
That just means your slime's gonna have an extra bounce.
Okay, now it's your turn.
Rainbow, can you spin for me, please?
Let's see what you're gonna get next. Here we go.
All right, I got laundry detergent.
Lucky you, Gus, you can start your slime. Not like me, I just have sports balls.
Check it out.
Ah, that is a mess.
All right, time for mixing. This is the start of some wonderful slime. Yeah, maybe not. Looks like boogers.
All right, Gus, my turn.
Yep, you really need some glue. Hope you get that.
Yeah, I hope I get glue. Glue, 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 glue. Ah, I got little animals. Still nothing to make slime.
That's all right. Maybe you'll get an alligator.
Let's see what animals I get. What do you think I'll get, Gus?
You're gonna get a dinosaur. They like slime.
They like slime? I didn't know that about dinosaurs. I got a tiger. Yeah, the tiger makes that noise. And I got a moose. And I have no idea what this is. It's like it has bug antennas.
It's an antelope.
And a meerkat.
Like the one from the movies?
Yeah, they are in cartoons. Let's put these in my slime bowl. This still has no slime.
Rainbow, you have enough animals to start your own zoo. slime zoo.
All right, Gus, it's your turn now.
Yeah, it's my turn. I really need some glue to make my slime complete.
Okay, I'll move out the way.
Thank
Whoa!
Whoa! All right, here we go. Whoa! Now, Rex, that hardly moved at all.
What'd you get, Gus? You got feathers!
Feathers? Wow, well, I guess I can make my slime fly. That's what feathers are for, right? All right, Rainbow, can you put the feathers in the bowl, please?
Yeah, I have them right here. See? They're rainbow feathers, too. We have yellow, green, and... Oh, Gus! They went everywhere!
Bless you. Hey, at least some of them made it in the bowl.
Oh yeah, what are we doing? Let's put the rest of them in the bowl now. It's like a feather waterfall. Gus, your slime looks so colorful. It's so pretty, look.
Yeah, it's so much better than yours.
It is better than mine. That's all right. I'm gonna get some glue soon and it's gonna look even cooler. Oh yeah, it's my turn. Hey, how many turns do we have anyway?
We have 5.
Okay, 5 turns each. Here we go. Glue, 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 glue. Yes, I finally got glue, Gus.
Hey, if you would put both of our bowls together, you would finally have real slime.
Yeah, look, check it out. Here's all my glue. Ah, it's all over the lion and it's all over the basketball. Looks like I do have a slime zoo starting. And they like to play sports.
Yeah, Rainbow, that looks yucky. Okay, my turn.
All right, your turn, Gus. Come here.
I really want glue so I can win this challenge. All right, I got glue. Now I can complete my slime creation.
Yeah, Gus. You got glue. Oh, your slime's gonna be almost done.
Whoa, look at that. What a mess. Feathers and glue?
Oh, Gus, this is nasty. There's glue and laundry detergent, feathers everywhere.
Hey, Rainbow, can I mix now?
Sure, Gus.
This slime is looking good. This isn't working as well as I thought. Yeah, Rainbow, can you help me finish, please?
Sure, Gus. Whoa, Gus, you really do have slime happening here. And it's different colors. It's all the colors of your feathers mixed together.
Rainbow, I don't have feathers.
Look, Gus, your slime is finished. Oh, whoa.
What's that? It looks like cotton candy soup.
Cotton candy soup? Hey, does it smell like cotton candy? Ugh, no, it doesn't smell like cotton candy at all.
Yeah, that's awful, Rainbow.
Well, it's not very pretty. It's just slimy. Ooh.
All right, your turn.
Oh yeah, it is my turn. I think I need to clean my hands first though.
Yep, it's yucky.
This time, I really need some laundry detergent. Laundry detergent so I can finish my slime. Come on, come on, come on. Laundry detergent. Ooh, I got food coloring. Now I get to pick a color. What color should I pick? Blue? Yellow? No. I know, pink. I can add that to my slime zoo. Whoa, it's actually red, not pink. That still works. But my slime still hasn't even started. All I have is glue. Oh, Gus is so far ahead of me. Hey, Gus, look at this.
No.
Pip, pip.
No, you're not supposed to eat these.
Gus, what are you doing? Oops. Gus, this is not food.
Sorry, I got hungry.
I know. Well, here, look. You even got some in your slime bowl.
That's all right. I think it makes it look better.
It does make it look better. It looks more colorful. Hey, it's your turn.
All right, let's spin the wheel of slime fortune. Yeah! All right, I got glitter. Yeah!
You got glitter, Gus. Let's see. What color are you going to get? Let me help you.
I hope I get green.
Green? Of course you want green. You got a white color. Let's try again. Let's see if you can get green this next time. Oh,
yeah!
Hey! It looks like green. It's like a light color green.
Yay!
Let's add glitter to your mix, Gus.
Yeah, maybe it'll make it look even better. Right now, it kind of looks like a failed pancake.
You wouldn't want to eat this for breakfast, that's for sure.
Whoa, check it out. It looks magical. Like it's from another world. All right, Rainbow, your turn.
Yeah, this is my last turn. I really need to get the laundry detergent because all I have is glue right now. Here we go. Laundry detergent. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Ah, I got it. Look, Gus.
All right. Nice job, Rainbow.
All right. Now I finally get to make the slime that I've always dreamed of. Yes. My slime is complete. Oh, it looks more like your slime, Gus.
Yeah, you mean like cotton candy soup? It smells awful.
Yes, exactly. Whoa.
Hey, look, Rainbow. It's pink after all.
Yeah, it looks great. Hey, it's your turn, Gus.
Last spin. Ah, ah. All right, I got paint. Time to make my slime even more colorful.
Yeah, maybe you'll even make a rainbow slime mix. Let's see what color you got, Gus.
I really, really hope it's green.
Of course you want green. Let's see. Hey, I got 3 colors for you and one of them's green.
All right. I always knew I would get green.
Let's see. What does this look like in the slime? Whoa!
It reminds me of my time in art class.
Now time to add pink and white.
Whoa, that looks crazy. And you mix it all together. Whoa! It's like a swampland of colors. Hey, Rainbow, can you show everybody our slime? I think I might drop the bowl.
Yeah, Gus. Whoa! Oh no! I'm making a mess too! Look at it! Ah, this looks like something that came out of a sewer.
Let's see your slime now, Rainbow.
Yeah, my slime. Hey, now it's pink and it's all stuck together flat. Ugh, it almost matches my shirt. Oh, it's like a slime pancake.
Yeah,
Oh, it's going everywhere.
yeah, I don't want slime on me.
Well, I think it's fun to get messy sometimes. I'm going all in. Ugh, this slime is so icky. Whoa, and it sticks together, like old gum or like spaghetti. Ew. Whoa, you could wear this. No, that wouldn't be a good idea. Whoa, yeah, this slime is definitely dirty. So dirty. Ugh, it's smelly too.
Well, thanks for watching our show today, little gators. I hope you had a lot of fun. Who do you think made the best slime, me or Rainbow? Let us know in the comments below. Make sure you like and subscribe. Bye!
Bye!
If you had fun today, click my other videos to see me and my yummy gummies. Click on the red button to subscribe to watch more of my videos and my yummy gummy adventures.